This is another tip for really good dinner rolls, is forming them, like I said, evenly and smoothly into a nice ball. And this is the method to do it. I'm going to show this to you a couple times so you can really grasp how this is done. You're going to take one of those sections of dough and start to fold it in on itself. You're going to take the edges and fold them under, and then that's going to be the seam side. You place seam side down and then kind of place a loose clawed hand over top and just roll it underneath your hand until you can feel that it's a true ball underneath your hand. Now I'm going to show it to you in slow motion so you can really see each step. You can see I'm pulling the dough underneath to that seam side all the way around until I feel like the top is nice and smooth and it's all kind of pulled together. Place it down on the counter, put that clawed hand over top, and then just roll, 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 and keep rolling until you can feel it. You really will feel it in your hand that it's come together and that it's a nice formed ball.